documentaries, and live events. Because it combines sounds and images, television is very effective in delivering details, information, and capturing attention. On the other hand, delivers information through audio only, even without visual. Radio remains powerful because it's accessible, affordable, and reach remote areas. Many people listen to radio for news, update, music, weather reports, and public service announcement. Broadcast media plays an important role in society. First, it, it informs the public about current events and important issues. Second, it educates people through information program. Third, it provides entertainment. Lastly, it serves as platform for government announcement and emergency alert, especially during disaster. However, broadcast media also has challenges. Something information can be beside of inaccurate. That is why important for audience to practice media literacy and verify information from reliable sources. In conclusion, broadcast media continues to the powerful tools in sharing information, shaping public opinion, and connecting communities. And that's all for broadcast media, ma'am.
Good day everyone, good day Ma'am Yesh. Today I will discuss new media. New media refers to digital forms of communication that use the internet and modern technology. Unlike traditional media such as newspaper, radio, and television, new media is interactive. This means people can not only receive information but also create, share, and respond to content instantly. Example of new media include social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, as well as blogs, websites, podcasts, online games, and video streaming, and access information anytime and anywhere using smartphones, laptops, or tablets. New media has many advantages. First, it allows fast and real-time communication. New and updates can spread within seconds. Second, it gives people a boost and freedom to express their ideas and opinions. It supports education through